A lace-like concrete facade perforated by circles, this wall of strength reveals to passers-by the tension between city and landscape. It filters light while conveying a discreet yet powerful presence. Round Edge House is located in Ramat Hasharon, Israel, on the edge of a residential neighborhood, a transition between the urban fabric and the open landscape beyond. This perforated facade functions as a double curtain evoking the urban essence of the neighborhood while reflecting the surrounding landscape back into the public space. The house occupies approximately 300 square meters of built area, distributed over 2 floors and a basement. The house adopts 2 contrasting facades. One, almost closed, composed of perforated concrete with cylinders of various sizes that act as a visual and luminous filter. And another open facade that faces the garden, dissolving the boundary between interior and exterior. On the ground floor, integrated social areas, living, dining, and kitchen extend outward through large glass panels that open to the rear garden. The floors are made of light Scandinavian oak, interior panels are birch plywood, and the built-in cabinetry features neutral tones that harmonize with the stucco surfaces. A 3-pronged metal pillar by McAlloy supports part of the upper structure, adding visual lightness. The alternation between opacity and transparency, and the contrast between solid concrete and perforated voids, gives the house an atmosphere of mystery and presence at once. Green areas inside or between facades reinforce the sense that the house breathes with the landscape. The cylinders removed from the facade were reused as paving elements scattered throughout the garden, creating coherence between architecture and landscaping. Between the perforated facade and the interior glass walls lies a narrow patio with vegetation, creating a buffer zone that modulates light and shadow. In the morning, beams of light pass through the facade's openings, creating shifting patterns inside. At midday, the wall acts as a filter, softening direct brightness. At night, the interior glow seeps through the wall of strength, painting the street with dots of light. The basement contains service and workspace areas, while the upper floor houses bedrooms, intimate living spaces, and wide views. Round Edge House represents a balance between withdrawal and integration with its surroundings. By choosing to stand on the edge, it articulates dualities: open and closed, light and shadow, city and nature. Its perforated facade is not a mere ornament, it is an active element of luminous performance and urban filter.